For many young children, learning through books alone leaves concepts feeling disconnected. Early education requires tactile experiences to turn abstract ideas into something they can actually hold and manipulate. This is particularly true for math and weight. Teaching the difference between a gram and a kilogram using only a whiteboard often leads to frustration as students struggle to visualize the scale of the units. This image shows the Little One store. It is a physical environment designed to move these math and science concepts off the page and into a simulated marketplace. Seen in the bottom left work stages, the project starts with basic engineering, cutting cardboard boxes into a stable structure. Panning to the final shape on the right, the detailed shelves transform it into a functional classroom simulation. Building this environment is the first step towards connecting textbook theories with the practical mechanics of a real-world store. According to the science breakdown in the project brochure, the first objective is forcing students to distinguish between a light unit, the gram, and a heavy unit, the kilogram. Students experience this through direct feedback. A small lemon on a scale registers in grams, while a heavy watermelon drops significantly, registering in kilograms. This physical interaction links visual size to measured weight, providing a clear reference point between units. Once the scientific measurement is recorded, the focus shifts to the mathematics section of the framework, where measurement is applied to commerce. In this role-play, students act as buyers and sellers. The seller's task is to take the weight recorded at the scale and use it to calculate the total price of the item selected. By connecting measurement directly to a transaction, the activity ensures that math is treated as a necessary tool for the game to continue, rather than an isolated drill. The most demanding part of the exercise occurs at the point of sale. The student acting as seller must calculate the exact change required using various bills and coins. For example, a buyer might hand over a 10-dinar note to pay for a total of 7 dinars worth of produce. This moment pauses the flow of the transaction. The seller cannot move to the next customer. They must perform the subtraction independently. Resolving the equation to 3, they select a combination of currency to return to the buyer, completing the exchange. Working through these calculations in a simulated setting allows students to practice the mental steps of commerce in a low-stakes environment. The store is supported by digital tools. The technology section of the framework notes that Kahoot quizzes and QR codes are used to review and confirm what the students learned during the role-play. Building this framework required solving logistical hurdles. The documentation lists challenges like sourcing affordable materials and ensuring accurate measurements. The brochure's impact section highlights the results. Beyond math, the activity encouraged students to communicate clearly and work together solving problems during the sale. The project moves from basic observation of an object to the weight measurement, and finally to the financial logic required to buy and sell it. The Little One store demonstrates that when concepts like mass and currency are integrated into a tangible narrative, students can more easily apply these lessons to their daily lives.